Baguio is deeply honored to receive the Standard Chartered Corporate Achievement Awards Sustainable Corporate Environmental Outstanding Award. On behalf of Baguio, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Standard Chartered Bank, the Hong Kong Economic Journal, and the panel of judges for this recognition. Baguio has incorporated sustainability into every aspect of our service, making us one of the most reliable and professional service providers in the integrated environmental service industry. With over 40 years of service in Hong Kong, Baguio has established 7 local recycling facilities, contributing to the local circular economy and joining hands with Hong Kong in the journey towards achieving carbon neutrality. Alongside our steady business growth, we have actively invested resources in expanding new services and embracing digitalization. We also take pride in being one of the major employers in Hong Kong with a workforce of up to 9,000 employees. Consequently, the efficient and flexible utilization of funds become paramount for our sustainable development. In line with Baguio's values, Standard Chartered demonstrates a shared commitment to sustainability and community engagement. Through offering preferential interest rates and flexible funding arrangements, Standard Chartered has become a vital partner, providing robust support for our business expansion and operational optimization in pursuit of the sustainable development goals. To cope with the challenges posed by climate change, we will maintain a close and collaborative partnership with Standard Chartered, maximizing synergies between our organizations. The collaboration between Baguio and Standard Chartered allows us to work hand in hand, combining our expertise in environmental services and financial industries to build a sustainable future.